I had no physical ability whatever. This is very important in the infantry. My mother did not allow me to run with the Trombeniks. This meant that I could not play with the kids in the vacant lot, get my knees skinned, sweaty, dirty, have my shirt come out of my pants. When she sent me to school, I was the only kid in first grade whose shirt was buttoned to his little satin pants with mother-of-pearl buttons. Come recess, the daf game, I was the only kid who couldn't unbutton in time. I spent a good deal of my childhood damp in school. But it made me physically inept. You may have seen all those films with people leaping ditches and walking on logs and climbing walls and swinging from ropes. Never me. I was falling down. I was in terrible shape. And they gave me a great assignment. I was the one who schlepped the radio on his back with the big antenna. And since I would volunteer for patrols, which was an odd habit I had, it was as if a finger was pointing and saying, him. But I kept falling down and breaking the antenna. So I went to the motor pool, and I had the motor sergeant take a big piece of copper wire, bend it in a spring, and put it at the base of the antenna. It was a conductor, and it gave. I invented, I think, that whole idea of the spring antenna, the spring joint. And it saw me through the war. I kept falling down because I just had no kein Fähigkeit. I was not physical, never have been. The idea of, catching a ball, I'd wait till it stopped rolling and I picked it up. It worked just as well. However, the guy was on third by the time I had accomplished this feat.